Hello students, good morning. All ready for our English class? Yes? The topic which we had discussed and learnt yesterday was Tenali Rama and the Three Dolls. Let's recall the chapter once again. Tenali Rama was the wisest minister in the court of Krishna Dev Raya, and a merchant from a foreign kingdom came to test his wisdom and how he solved the problem. That we have learnt in this chapter, and now we are going to do the writing work of this chapter. So children, please be ready with your classwork copies, your pen, pencil, eraser, and let's start. Okay, the first thing that you are going to write is the date and the name of the chapter. Okay, Tenali Rama and the Three Dolls. Here you are going to write down the date. This is my margin. Sorry, this is my margin, and along the margin you are going to write down the date, and I am starting right with the name of the chapter, that is Tenali Rama and the Three Dolls. So my T is capital, Tenali Rama and the Three Dolls. Right? This is the name of the chapter. Are you ready with the name of the chapter? Yes? After that, you are going to leave one line and write down along the margin dictation words. Right? Dictation words. Now the first word is wisdom. W-I-S-D-O-M, wisdom. विजडम, इंटेलिजेंस, तुरंत जवाब देने की. नेक्स्ट, इंटेलिजेंस, INTELLIGENCE, इंटेलिजेंस. INTELLIGENCE, intelligence, right? Now the next word is merchant. Number 3, M-E-R, merchant, C-H-A-N-T, merchant. What do you mean by merchant? Businessman, right? So how will you spell it? M-E-R, C-H-A-N-T, merchant. Permission. The next word is permission. So, P-E-R, me, M-I-S-S-I-O-N, permission. Agya, permission. What do you mean by permission? Agya. Foreign. Number 5, F-O-R-E-I-G-N, foreign. Foreign मतलब विदेश, देश के बाहर. F-O-R-E-I-G-N. Yes, the spelling is very easy, right? So, foreign. Okay. Next, aroused. Number 6, A-R-O-U-S-E-D, aroused. Aroused, जागृत होना. Right? So, complete these dictation words, then we'll carry on further. I'm waiting for you. By the time, let's revise the words which are written on the board. The first word is wisdom. That is, कितने अक्लमंद हैं, right? Intelligence, merchant, MERCHANT, merchant. Permission, PERMISSION, permission. Foreign, FOREIGN, foreign. Aroused, AROUSED, aroused. Yes children, you can complete your work. I am waiting for you. Yes, I think you all might have completed your work. Let's move further. Yes, number 7. The word on number 7 is den, DEN, den. A lion lives in a den. TTICAL, identical. Identical means same, right? So my spelling is identical, identical, right? Number 8. Difference, 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 farak. DIFFERENCE, difference. Accept, EXCEPT, accept. Accept हम ऐसा बोलते हैं ना, हमने सबको बुलाया, सिर्फ इसको नहीं बुलाया. That means सिर्फ जो हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं, that is accept. EXCEPT. Summon, 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 बुलाना. आदेश देना, कोर्ट से आदेश आता है, राजा का आदेश आता है, so that means summon. Us, call, you call, when you call a person, आपने आदेश दिया है कि आपको हाजिर होना ही है. SUMMON. Announced, ANNOUNCED, announced. ANNOUNCED, announced. Next, represent, PRESENT, represent मतलब दिखाना. REPRESENT, represent. Next word is courtier, COURTIER, courtier. COURTIER, courtier. courtier यानी जो कोर्ट में रहते हैं, कृष्ण देवराया के कोर्ट में जितने मिनिस्टर्स थे, they are called as courtiers, right? Yes children, keep writing. Blue line to blue line, no dirty writing. Yes, the first word which is written on the board is identical. Identical means same. Difference, अलग अलग. Except, सिर्फ. समन, आदेश देना. अनाउंस, किसी बात का अनाउंसमेंट होता है ना, प्रिंसिपल सर अनाउंस करते हैं स्टेज पे. रिप्रेजेंट, अपने स्थान पे किसी दूसरे व्यक्ति को भेजना. कोर्टियर, राइट. So keep writing. The moment you finish, you tell me, then we'll continue with further spellings. Hope you are done. Next, let's continue with two more words. That is yes, number 14. Explanation. 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 जो मैम एक्सप्लेन करती है ना, that. And the last word is acknowledge. 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 Acknowledge मतलब एडमिट करना, मान लेना. acknowledge. LEDGE. Acknowledge. Right? And here we wind up with our dictation words, and now after this we will continue with glossary or word meanings, right? So in the center you will give an heading, word meaning, oblique, this is known as oblique, right? Glossary. When you go to big classes, the word meaning, this word gets removed and you have to only learn this word. Okay, so the first word is opponent. 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 Opponent, someone who competes against you, जो आपके साथ में किसी रेस में हिस्सा लेता है. मान लो आप 2 जन हिस्सा लिया है, तो ये आपका ओपोनेंट हो गया. दोनों में रेस होगी, कौन फर्स्ट आएगा, राइट? So that is known as opponent. Someone who competes against you. Right? The next word is identical. Identical. Identical means same. Next, figure out. FIGURE. Figure out. Figure out means to find out. पता लगाना. Find. FIND. Find out. Next word is summon. Summon means to call. आदेश देना. Summon means to call, right? Continue. Yes. Hope your work is complete. Next, See, number 4 is here. Now number 5 and 6 I am writing here. Okay. So number 5. Represent. Represent. That means stand for. And the last is acknowledge. 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 Acknowledge means to admit or admitted. You can write admitted. Okay, मान लिया. Admitted मतलब मान लिया. So here we wind up with our glossary and then we'll move on with question and answers. Hope you have completed. Let's move further with question and answers. Yes, now we are moving up with question and answers. Question number 1. Who was Tenali Rama? Now my question is, who was Tenali Rama? Tenali Rama was an intelligent minister in the court of Krishna Devaraya. Krishna Dev Raya. Next question. Who visited the king's court? राजा के दरबार में कौन आया? Who visited the king's court? A merchant from foreign kingdom. Visited the king's court. Right. Now my question 3 is, what did he give to the king? What did the merchant give to the king? The merchant gave, answer, the merchant gave 3 identical dolls to the king. Right? Yes, so what is the first question? My first question is, who was Tenali Rama? Tenali Rama was an intelligent minister in the court of Krishna Dev Raya. Who visited the king's court? A merchant from foreign kingdom visited the king's court. What did he give to the king? The merchant gave 3 identical dolls to the king. Right? So these are my questions. Your work, complete your work. I am waiting for you. Yes, hope your work is complete. Let's move on with the next question. Question 4. What permission does he seek from the king? उसने राजा से क्या परमिशन ली? Seek will become sought. He sought and received the king's permission to test the intelligence of his ministers. Right? So these are the question answers for today, and in our next lecture we will continue further with the question and answers. Complete your work. Be ready for your periodic test. Your periodic tests are starting on the 14th of this month, and we will be having this chapter also. So be prepared. Start learning your question answers. Okay, bye bye.